the earthquake. Haiti was being helped when the PHTK government squandered billions of dollars from the Petro-Caribbean funds. Haiti was being helped when terrorists federated themselves into organized armed militias and started pretending to be revolutionaries. Haiti is being helped to death. Help is no substitute for restitution. The recommendations of this forum are important steps in the right direction. I am thankful for that. Now, the real question is, what should we stop doing to truly help Haiti? No nation is safe when there is an arms race going on. Weapon manufacturing countries such as Canada, the United States, and France must stop the flow of weapons that end up in the hands of terrorists in Haiti and elsewhere. Countries such as Canada, the United States, and France must stop financing and interfering in Haitian elections. It just so happens that when some people ask, what can we do to help Haiti, what they mean to say is that Haiti has no right to be a nation, but should settle for being a new colony. Afro-descendants must be aware of the fact that what is being done to Haiti will be done to other predominantly black nations. There is nothing new there. We must remember history. In the fight against racism, it is not enough to say that Black lives matter. It is time for us to recognize that Black nationhood matters. Haiti's nationhood matters. Haiti's nationhood matters. Black nationhood matters. Ay bobo!
Ay bobo! Hayti, 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 Hayti.